of the school year-end report. SCIHS enrollment for 2021-2022 increases. Soaring enrollment data from feeder barangays. 100% promotion rate, 100% passing rate, and 0% dropout rate. Academic and technical vocational livelihood tracks are the new offerings of San Cristobal Integrated High School. Programs and projects of SCIHS that help conquer the new normal education. SCIHS accomplished and achieved programs and recognitions for the school year 2021-2022. San Cristobal Integrated High School welcomes back learners. SCIHS enrollment for school year 2021-2022 increases. SCIHS enrollment throughout the course of 4 school years increases.
School year 2018 to 2019 had 476 enrolled learners. School year 2019 to 2020 had 533 learners. School year 2020 to 2021 had 762 registered learners, and school year 2021-2022 had 984 enrolled learners in the most recent year. It demonstrates that the enrollment has risen over time. Here's the enrollment data of students from various feeder barangays. San Cristobal has 575 students enrolled, whereas Santa Elena has 207 students, while Santo Niño has 144 students. Bulacan 1, Bulacan 2, and Pinagdanlayan have 33. 15 and 10 students enrolled, respectively, in Dolores, Quezon.
SCIHS had a 100% promotion rate, 100% passing rate, and a 0% dropout rate for school year 2021-2022.
Regarding with the promotion rate of students per grade level, there are 162 from grade 7, 156 from grade 8, 170 from grade 9, 127 from grade 10, 92 from grade 11, and 55 from grade 12. With this, SCIHS had a 100 promotion rate and passing rate in the recently completed school year 2020-2021 and has a 0% dropout rate.
Academic and technical vocational livelihood tracks are the new offerings of San Cristobal Integrated High School. SCIHS offer academic and technical vocational livelihood track or TVL.
For academic track, we have accountancy, business and management track, and humanities and social science strand. While in technical vocational livelihood track, we have industrial arts, electrical installation and maintenance NC2, and home economics, cookery NC2.
Programs and projects of SCIHS that help conquer the new normal education. When COVID-19 pandemic tests our country, SCIHS adapt to the certain demands and current status of the country's new normal in the education system by implementing lots of programs and projects. Each year, to ensure that the needs of the learners should not be neglected despite of the unexpected challenges that the school has encountered. A key skill that SCIHS has developed is the ability to create dependable programs that will cater the needs of its learners, understanding the needs of our stakeholders, particularly our learners, is a vital and pathway in the creation of the SFID, or stakeholders feedback on the integration and development of the modular distance learning.
The SFID program identified different difficulties and issues the school had encountered this past 2 years. From the time when the school started to implement the program, it had addressed issues to the concerned advisors and teachers, we're able to develop solutions and other programs that will help learners to cope up with the problem and difficulties.
A change in the educational environment makes the teaching and learning process more difficult. Students struggle in studying lessons on their own, leading to their poor performance. Also, because of the school's demographic profile, teachers find it hard to deal with the student, which is why Barangay Learning Center or BLC was created.
BLC or Barangay Learning Cell. The SCIHS established Barangay Learning Cell through a Memorandum of Understanding with the feeder barangays. The distribution and retrieval of learning materials is made possible through the coordinated efforts of the local government units. This also facilitated the coordination of the needs of every community that the school serves.
The offering of TVL in SCIHS brought another dilemma, since the subject focused more on performance skills, rather than in theoretical aspects. Thus, SCIHS come up with the Project ELA, or Enhanced Learning at Board, and LOS, or Lab on Site, to provide laboratories to the communities where the TVL students are located.
One of the predicaments of every barangay is the deteriorating nutrition condition of the children within their barangay. They have budget for feeding programs, but they don't have enough manpower. This situation leads to have the advocacy program of the school, among HUM's learners, to have social work and community support services, which aims to promote social and community engagement of learners.
After a year of implementation of the MDL, students still experience difficulties in learning due to lack of guidance and support from the teachers. In this case, an intervention was done through Topalites TV Entertainment, the official YouTube channel of SCIHS, which provided an interactive video for both offline and online learning viewing of learners.
Topalites TV Lentertainment. The teachers provide video lessons which are available in the official school YouTube channel Topalites TV Lentertainment. This will help the learners to have deeper understanding with their lessons and enhance their reading comprehension and numeracy skills.
The school also launched Purok or Pagtuturo Umpisang Ruta ay sa organisadong kapitbahay. It focuses on bolstering students' comprehension in English, Filipino, and science, as well as their basic numeracy skills.
Purok Pagtuturo Umpisang Ruta ay sa organisadong kapitbahay is a parent-guardian partnership intended to assist students in reading and enhance their numeracy skills. The Purok parent were selected based on the number of students residing near their location. These are parents who are willing to assist learners within their neighborhood and will serve as facilitators while the learners respond to Purok sheets provided to them. It was supported with video lessons which are prepared by the teachers and are uploaded in the school's official YouTube channel called as Topalites TV Lentertainment.
Students' mental health is important for us. SCIHS introduced the advice, counseling, and encouragement online or advisor online to assist students having difficulties with anxiety or depression due to the effect of new modality in the learning process.
Students with cases are selected from grade 7 to 12 in collaboration with school teaching personnel, parents, and advisors. Advisors are given special instructions to record, document, and monitor the progress of students with cases in line with the School Learning Continuity Plan or LCP monthly and quarterly.
School safety and prepared against COVID-19 environment or space as part of the program of school safety is not only the school premises should be safe but also the people working as a team of San Cristobal Integrated
school health survey is still going for the monitoring of the SCIHS personnel, and also health checklists for the visitor are strictly implemented. 100% of the faculty and personnel of SCIHS were vaccinated from the local government.
Prevention, readiness, and intervention for a COVID-free environment in SCIHS. San Cristobal prioritizes the health and safety of its learners, teachers, non-teaching personnel, and other stakeholders.
SCIHS readiness for the opening of classes and continuously followed preventive measures and minimum health standard protocols. To make the school a COVID-free environment, as a part of this, SCIHS devises the program prize.
Kabutiang Towal is one of the innovative projects proposed by San Cristobal Integrated High School, aligned to the School Basic Education Learning Continuity Plan, or BELCP.
The goal of this initiative is to strengthen the school's credibility, particularly when idle human, physical, and material resources are put to use. Kabutiang Towal is an income-generating project. It's an environment where students and other interested individuals or groups may get hands-on training and develop their entrepreneurial skills. It also allows for the integrations of teaching and learning research and outreach. The research findings are being used to improve the project's production and instructions. Faculty, employees, on-the-job trainees, entrepreneurs, and others can share their project experiences through instruction, extension, and training. The school budget was strengthened with an income-generating project. The funding can be used to recruit more project staff, buy supplies, tools, materials, and equipment, and develop facilities for teaching, research, extension, training, and productive operation. Quilts, or quick information on learning task status, is a prescription note where the teachers make recommendation for the learners who needs to remediate learning tasks with low score and remind the tasks that are not submitted. Localized instructional sheets, or LIS, is a well-detailed guide where the teachers provide explanation and step-by-step procedure in answering the exact weekly learning task in the Self-Learning Module, or SLM. Enhanced Modular Online Learning Development are modules, supplementary materials in SCIHS. The teacher provide the e-modes where the lessons and learning activities are discussed in simplified form.
Campus journalisms, amidst the pandemic, should continue and prosper through CJ Wellness. Students write articles that enable them to express themselves.
The Campus Journalism's advisors provide newsletters every month to inform, entertain, and lessen the anxiety level of SCIHS students. Through this, the students can cope up with their anxiety and boredom. These articles would inspire them and give them avenues with their pent-up feelings and go beyond the extra mile. From physical classes with sudden shift to modular distance learning modality, our learners combat with mental health issues due to experiencing boredoms and hardships brought to them by lack of financial capacity, for their parents cannot go to work because it is unsafe for them to travel from place to place.
SCIHS accomplished and achieved programs and recognition for the school year 2021-2022. Year 2021-22 is a fruitful year of accomplishment and achievement for SCIHS. Some of these are:
Sir Donnie Ari C. Malbar won as Outstanding Secondary School Principal, winning the search for 2021 San Pablo Shine. SCIHS 2021 Pluma Awards, an award ceremony that gives value and appreciation to all the teachers of San Cristobal Integrated High School. It shows approval and gratitude for each teacher's good job and makes teachers aware that good work will be rewarded. Recognition motivates others to strive for excellence, and we all benefit from it. SCIHS awarded as Best School Implementer of Brigada Eskwela Medium School category. Ma'am Carol Musica bogged second place at the Mathematics Festival of Talents division level. Maria Fatima Siboncayo won third place in extemporaneous speech on the 125th death anniversary of Dr. Jose P. Rizal. In celebration of the 50th founding anniversary, SCIHS produced 100 copies of souvenir programs, 93 of which were already distributed. SCIHS Level 3 in Regional School-Based Management Validation. SCIHS was also a semi-finalist of SAFE CI Regional as the most learning-focused public junior high school. San Cristobal Integrated High School Basic Education Research Fund, or BERF, and Virtual Conference of Basic Education Researchers, PCBER qualifiers. Josh Maverick Malabanan won 4th place in Photojournalism, English category, Division School Press Conference. Sir Sargi Leonard M. Malabanan and Sir Kevin A. Guno as the 6th Cycle Basic Education Research Fund, or BERF grantee. SCIHS holds Virtual Research Assistant Program Webinar 2022. SCIHS joins World's Best School Prizes in Community Collaboration, Innovation, and Overcoming Adversity categories. Lance Kirby C. Balela was awarded as the Best Performer in Line Racing in Robotics.
San Cristobal Integrated High School welcomes back learners. San Cristobal Integrated High School welcomes back learner as expanded limited face-to-face classes are mandated to be held.
San Cristobal Integrated High School, or SCIHS, welcomes back learners, specifically the grade 10 and grade 12 learners, for expanded limited face-to-face classes, which started last March 28, 2022 and lasts until June 24, 2022.
This has been Sir R.J.A. Teresa, upholding the culture of excellence far beyond treated. See you again here in San Cristobal Integrated High School, IITV, for school year 2022-2023. Basta batang Tobalites, alaga ka dito!
Hello, Tobalites!
Malapit na ang pasukan!
Enrolled ka na ba?
Well,
You have come to the right place! Welcome to San Cristobal Integrated High School!
ang San Cristobal Integrated High School ay pangalawa sa pinakamatandang paaralan sa lungsod ng San Pablo.
Talaga palang napakatatag ng San Cristobal Integrated High School. 50 years and counting!
Matatagpuan ito sa paanan ng Bundok Cristobal sa Barangay San Cristobal, San Pablo City, Laguna.
Quality education ba ka mo? Well, dito sa San Cristobal Integrated High School, teachers are not just dedicated and smart. They're also creative, research-oriented, and globally competitive.
San Cristobal Integrated High School has a lot to offer. Merong junior high school mula grade 7 hanggang grade 10 at senior high school mula grade 11 hanggang grade grade 12. But wait! There's more! Kung ikaw ay isang senior high school, may iba't ibang strand pa na pwede mong pagpilian.
O di ba? Perfect!
Madiskarte ka ba sa pera? Gustong magkaroon ng negosyo?
Kung ito ang hilig mo, marahil para sa'yo ang ABM strand o Accountancy and Business Management.
Teka, nangangarap ka bang maging journalist? O nais mong maglingkod sa bayan tulad ng mga guro at pulis?
Kung oo ang iyong sagot, swak sa'yo ang iyong strand o Humanities and Social Sciences.
Gusto mo bang maging sikat na fashion designer? O baka naman pangarap mong maging chef?
Kung ganun, para sa'yo ang strand ng Home Economics.
Hilig mo ba ang magkumpuni ng mga electrical wirings?
Marahil ay bagay sa'yo ang strand na Industrial Arts.
Nahanap mo na ba ang tamang strand na para sa'yo? Junior high school ka ba? Na gusto maranasan ang dekalidad na edukasyon?
Halina at mag-enroll dito sa San Cristobal Integrated High School.
Sundin lang ang mga sumusunod na proseso.
Una, pumunta sa ating Facebook page, San Cristobal Integrated High School. Tingnan ang pin post at pagkatapos ay i-click ang link na naaayon sa iyong baitang o grade level. Sagutan ang lalabas na Google Forms tulad ng nakikita nyo sa inyong mga screen. Siguraduhin na ilagay ang lahat ng detalye at impormasyon na kinakailangan upang makapag-enroll. At sa huli, i-click ang Submit button upang matiyak na na-record ang inyong response. Kung may mga katanungan, ay maaaring makipag-ugnayan sa mga guro na nakikita ninyo sa inyong mga screen.
Kung wala namang kakayahang makapag-online enrollment, maaaring personal na magtungo sa paaralan upang mabigyang gabay ng mga guro sa pag-enroll.
Hoy! Papahuli ka pa ba? Enroll na tayo! Tara! So, if you are looking for a school,
That upholds the culture of excellence,
choose San Cristobal Integrated High School. For we are far beyond driven.
May updated sa mga kaganapan sa paaralan.
huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-share,